Welcome sa zip9.com. This video tutuloy natin yung ating series on calculus, no? And kung sinusundan nyo itong series na to, ang pinag-aaralan natin from the previous videos ay ang infinite limits, no? So meron na tayong several examples kung paano kukunin yung infinite limits using intuition, using calculation, and using reasoning, no? And in this video, ang gagawin natin is to learn more about the graphical interpretation of limits, no, of infinite limits, no. So for example, itong dalawang actually this is one function, no. This is f of x, for example, and sa nakikita niyo habang siya ay pa-approach at a certain number, x equals a, no. So pababa siya ng pababa, no. So nagiging negative, no, papunta siya sa, this is 0. So habang palapit siya ng palapit, although putol siya dito, habang palapit siya ng palapit, or palapit siya ng palapit dito sa x equals a, ay pababa siya ng pababa. One example of this and for example, yung blue na function na to, this is 2 over x minus 3, no? Itong function na to. So habang palapit siya ng palapit sa 3, no? Habang palapit siya ng palapit sa 3, nangyayari pababa siya ng pababa, no? So it actually approaches negative infinity, no? And no, since from this graph, pareho yung left hand tsaka right hand limit niya approaches negative infinity at x equals a, then the limit of f of x as x approaches a is equal to negative infinity, no? So here, ang a natin, this is a specific example. Dito sa example na to, ang ating a ay 3, di ba? As x approaches 3, this is the blue graph is siguro ilagay natin, no? The blue graph is f of x equals to x minus 3, no? 2 over x minus 3. No? That's the equation, no? So as we can see, no? As check natin, baka mali ako. 2 over x minus 3, no? As we can see, as x approaches 3, no? Yung x equals 3, then the function goes down, or the function approaches negative infinity. This is approaching from the left. Ito naman from the right. This as x approaches 3 from the right, no, the value of f of x, which is 2 over x minus 3, approaches infinity. So dito negative infinity from the left, positive infinity from the right, no, ang ina-approach niya. However here, both left and right, ang nag-approach siya dun sa number na x equals a, no? So this is the limit of f of x as x approaches a equals infinity. Negative infinity. Ito naman baliktad, no? As x approaches a, from both sides, ang ano niya naman is positive infinity naman, tumataas naman siya. So the limit of f of x as x approaches a equals positive infinity, or just infinity. Pwede nang walang positive, walang plus, no? So here, ang nandito lang is left hand limit, no? So ito lang yung ating function. So the limit of f of x as x approaches a from the left is equal to, from the left siya, di ba? Positive infinity. Ito naman, the limit of f of x as x approaches a from the left is equal to negative infinity, no? What about this one? From the right naman to. Galing naman siya sa right. X approaches a from the right. The limit of f of x as x approaches a from the right, no? May plus siya, equals positive infinity. And the limit of f of x as x approaches a from the right plus, pababa naman siya kaysa negative. This is negative infinity. Okay, so yan yung mga ibig sabihin niya, no? So if both the left hand and the right hand limit has the same or if the left hand and the right hand limits are equal, then the general limit is equal to that is equal to negative infinity in this case and equal to positive infinity in this case, pag pareho yung ina-approach nila, no? Okay, so I hope meron kayong natutunan. And by the way, yung line na ina-approach ng mga yan, ang tawag natin dyan ay asymptote. Yan, i-discuss natin yan sa susunod na video, no? Asymptote. Yan, tawag pala natin yan is vertical asymptote kasi meron tayong tinatawag na horizontal asymptote. Okay, so I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. So kayo invite sa sit9.com, nandiyan yung ating video. And pwede nyo tignan yan kasi nandiyan yung pagkakasunod-sunod. So kung gusto nyo panoorin na sunod-sunod para mas maliwanag yung mga concepts, you can start from basic math, nandiyan yung algebra, nandiyan yung geometry, calculus, pre-calculus. Of course, we're adding videos every week, no? Almost every day nag-add tayo ng video. So maganda na mag-subscribe kayo para mas updated kayo dun sa mga ina-upload natin. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.